With a desire to see more of what the world has to offer, we have been working away for the last few months, turning this 1997 Stewart & Stevenson into our ultimate expedition vehicle. With a fresh coat of paint, new lights, we are pushing ourselves to create a home that will not only allow us to travel, but to see the world from a different perspective. So follow along and join our journey as we transform this bare-bone military truck into our tiny home on wheels.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. On last episode's video, we installed our master bedroom platform and the windows. On this episode, we are installing our bunk beds and a closet that is going to house a washer in it and all our clothes. It's pretty large space for a closet like this. So let's get straight to it. Using cedar for our bunk beds. The main reason is we want it to last a long time, and cedar will outlast pine. It's number one. We just got a good deal, so that's why I went with cedar.
Get these PL on your fingers. You won't be able to go on no gates. No nothing. You can't go anywhere. Because your hands are going to be black. But not like they're going to be all blotchy and patchy looking. It's gross. Ask me how I know. So some of you might be wondering what we're using to screw into the walls and in between here. So we use a combination of, these are load bearing screws. It's a number 10 screw. This is a 4 1/8 inch screw that we screwed into the wall. And then for all the cross pieces we used a number 9. These are rated for 500 and something pounds. Don't quote me on that. But they're quite heavy duty screws. And then we used PL for all the vibration and to avoid any squeakiness in the camper. So I think we should be good. We're still going to put some screws down to anchor this thing, and then we're going to use some L brackets in the corners all around. Probably going to be 6 L brackets holding it to the wall as well. And then we'll definitely get a screw straight into the metal just so it's not going anywhere. But yeah, that's our bunk bed right there. They're quite, I mean, I'm a big dude, so I'll be able to probably sleep in it, but if you're any bigger than me, probably not.
got our bunk bed frame complete. Wasn't as hard as it actually was looking before we started, but we've got it in. Just have to screw it to the wall, and that's about it.
Very comfortable, but it's hurting my back. If it holds me, we're good.
Thanks for tuning in on this week's video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Leave us a like and comment, and share our content to friends, family. On next week's video, we're going to be tackling some of our electrical that we need to do before we can cover up the walls. See you next week.